I'm a landscape designer specializing in outdoor kitchens, and over the past 5 years, I've seen the outdoor cooking trend explode from simple grills to full kitchen installations worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. But with this growth has come a fire safety crisis that most homeowners and even contractors don't fully understand. Today I'm sharing why outdoor kitchens need different fire safety approaches and how fire blankets are revolutionizing safety in these luxury installations. Outdoor kitchens present fire safety challenges that are completely different from indoor cooking. You're dealing with propane systems, electrical connections exposed to weather, wood-fired pizza ovens, and cooking equipment that might be located far from water sources. Traditional indoor fire safety equipment often isn't appropriate for outdoor environments, and emergency response times might be longer for fires in backyard locations. Let me share a project that taught me hard lessons about outdoor kitchen fire safety. I designed a spectacular outdoor kitchen for a client's pool area: pizza oven, multiple gas burners, teppanyaki grill, and a wood-fired smoker. The installation cost over $80,000 and was featured in a home design magazine. 3 months after completion, a grease fire from the teppanyaki station spread to the nearby pergola and destroyed half the installation. Here's what went wrong and why it was completely preventable. The homeowners had transferred their indoor cooking habits to their outdoor kitchen without considering the different fire risks. When oil caught fire on the teppanyaki grill, they tried to move the burning pan away from the other equipment. The fire spread to wooden structures, outdoor furniture, and landscaping before the fire department could respond. The total damage exceeded $60,000, but the real loss was the confidence that comes with outdoor entertaining. The family stopped using their outdoor kitchen entirely because they were afraid of another fire incident. The installation I designed to bring people together had become a source of anxiety and fear. That project changed how I approach fire safety and outdoor kitchen design. I now include fire blankets in every installation and provide comprehensive safety training for homeowners. Outdoor kitchens require fire suppression methods that work in open-air environments with multiple fuel sources and potential fire spread paths. Fire blankets are perfectly suited to outdoor kitchen safety challenges. They work effectively in wind conditions that might interfere with other suppression methods. They don't require electrical connections or water sources that might not be readily available in outdoor settings. They're weatherproof and UV resistant, so they maintain effectiveness through all seasons. Most importantly, they suppress fires without creating water damage to expensive outdoor equipment and electronics. The installation process I now use for outdoor kitchens includes fire blankets at every cooking station. They're mounted in weather-resistant enclosures that protect them from the elements while keeping them immediately accessible. Homeowners receive training on proper use techniques and understand how outdoor fire safety differs from indoor cooking. Here's the technique that's become standard in professional outdoor kitchen design. Fire blankets are positioned to handle the multiple fire risks that outdoor cooking presents: grease fires from grills, wood fires from pizza ovens, electrical fires from outdoor appliances. The response is always the same: cover the fire, control fuel sources, and prevent spread to structures and landscaping. But here's what's driving the outdoor kitchen fire blanket revolution. Insurance companies are starting to require specific fire safety equipment for outdoor kitchen installations above certain values. Fire blankets meet these requirements while providing practical protection that homeowners can actually use during entertaining. Since implementing fire blankets in all my outdoor kitchen projects, I've had 0 fire-related damage claims from clients. The few cooking fires that have occurred were suppressed immediately without spreading or causing property damage. More importantly, homeowners feel confident using their outdoor kitchens for entertaining because they know they can handle emergencies effectively. Outdoor kitchens represent significant investments in lifestyle and property value. Fire blankets protect these investments while enabling the confident outdoor entertaining that makes these spaces so valuable. If you're planning an outdoor kitchen or currently have one without adequate fire safety equipment, don't wait for an expensive lesson in fire safety. Professional outdoor kitchen fire safety starts with fire blankets designed for the unique challenges of outdoor cooking environments. Your outdoor kitchen should enhance your lifestyle, not create safety anxieties. Fire blankets provide the protection that makes outdoor entertaining both safe and enjoyable.